Hello everyone. I'm here for my daddy. He has cancer and is stage 4. Hospital is saying that they cannot treat him again, like they can't give him chemo again. So please, we are not here to beg for money. And I really love to appreciate Senator. Yeah, he has been the one helping us, has been the one footing the bills. It's still, even what I'm here for, Gongo, is that if you can treat my daddy, if you can start chemo for him, whether it's medical or the or herbs, Idubule, Ejo to your room. My daddy doesn't want to die. Please, I don't want my daddy to die. He's in pain. He's not happy. Please. If you know anybody that can treat me, be like me or medical way, Ejo to your love. Am I giving guys, please, I'm begging you, any help, anything, anybody that you know that can treat cancer, please, I'm begging you. That is stomach is swollen. He said, please, you can send me a DM or my sister, or even his own DM. My sister will be able to get you to his phone. Please, if you can treat my daddy, please send me a DM. I'll be checking my phone. Please, I don't want my daddy to die. I don't want my daddy to die. Please. God give me this one. There's no money, but if you know anybody that can treat my daddy, Ejo, please. He's saying that he doesn't want to die. Please, I've never seen my daddy looking on pain before. I'm not even around. Please, Ejo, to your love. Allah. Hello everybody, good evening. I meant to ask for help for my daddy. He has cancer and it's really bad. And the hospitals are refusing to treat him. At least, please, give this man a chance. Nobody wants to do anything. Why not yet ask for money? Nobody is asking for money, but please, if you know somebody that knows somebody that can help. This man has a strong will to live. You see him, you can't even know that something is wrong that bad. It's just starting to show. We didn't even know until like 3 weeks ago. So please, I'm begging you. If you know somebody that knows somebody that will be willing to treat him, anything, we're willing to try anything.
Fọ́nrán yìí ló gborí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára látàrí ibi tí a ti rí ọmọ Mr. Ogogo tí wọ́n ti jáde tí wọ́n sọ ipò ìlera tí bàbá wọn wà tí wọ́n sì ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà pé kẹ́jọ ẹni tó bá lè wo àìsàn kánsà wípé àwọn kódà àwọn ti gbé wọn dé hospital, wọ́n ti ní stage 4 ni wọ́n wà hospital tí wọ́n gbé wọn lọ náà sọ pé agbára wọn ò ká mọ́. Ẹjọ́ á fi àkókò yìí abẹ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátá, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Ọlọ́run fún lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti lè tọ́jú kánsà, ẹjọ́ ẹ bá wa reach out sí wọn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ dádì wọn ìyẹn Taiwo Hassan Ogogo tẹ́ jẹ́ òṣèré orí ìtàgé. Ẹjọ́ Ọlọ́run á ràn gbogbo wa lọ́wọ́ o. Ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká fi support wọn. Ẹjọ́ afọlọ́ǹbẹ̀yìn gbogbo wa àní fàìsàn ló gbà o.